Hi viewers, today we are going to discuss about solid editing commands. In this we have to discuss about extract faces, edges, here extract edges, imprint option, color edges and copy edges. Today we are going to discuss about these four and how to use this, why it is useful like this. First of all, we are using any types of commands. We have to take box, just take a box like this. Here we have to change this. Here we have lot of options like conceptual, hidden, realistic. I want the structure even realistic. So just take it in realistic like this. So in this I want to extract the edges. Just select this and select the object and click on enter. Here I want to move this object. Just go to move option, just select this and click on enter and give one base point. Here it will be extracted like this. Do you observe this? Here our edges are different, separated like this. Our edges are separated like this. Again I want to take a move option, select the object and click on enter. Here I want to move it as like this. Here when I change this again, it will be not extract the edges. Why? Because we can't take a extract command here, extract edges command here. You just select the object and click on extract edges, select the object, click on enter. Now we have to move this, select the object and give one base point. Now only it will be extract the edges like this. If not, the object is not extracted the edges. For any type of object, you have to take the edges by using the extract edges. When I select this object and I want to edges for this object and click on enter. Now I am shift this cylindrical object and move this like this. Here also our edges will be extracted. So like this we have to extract the edges by using the extract edge commands. Again I want to take another object which here also I want to take a extract edges for this. Just click on object and click on enter. Okay, here next I want to shift this, move this, give one base point. Here the edges are extracted like this. Okay, next go to another object. Just I want to remove all this like this. Just click on done. Next we have to observe the imprint command for 2D geometry. You just see here the any object drawn on this panel will be visible like this. Why? Because imprint means impression. Any object when we are drawn on a 3D object, it will be visible clearly. Just observe what I am doing here. First of all, I want to take a circle C in the base upon one base point. Okay, so based upon this point, I want to draw a circle. want to change this circle. I want to move this object. Just click on Move option. Just select the object. Click on Enter. Here, when I shift the object, the 2D object will be placed here only. Why? Because it can't impress it in this. When we impress this, just use this imprint option. So, first of all, I want to take it, Ctrl Z. I am clicking Ctrl Z for backup. Now I am taking imprint option. Just select the object and select the object to imprint. Just click on Enter. When I just observe this cursor, when I changes the cursor, the total object will be selected like this. The internal circle also selected. So now I want to move this object. Here the 2D object is here, and again here also the circle is visible. Why? Because here the circle is impressed in this. Now, why we use this? Actually, 3D object will be visible, then why we are again taking 2D object on 3D? Why? Because if you cut here or press pull here or extrude here, you just take a internal 2D and just take the press pull, just select this, and if you want to press pull like this, or if you want to drag like this, this is our hole like here. Like this, we have to make a hole on a object. If you want to rotate this, just click on Shift and scroll our mouse bar. When you put a Shift and scroll our mouse bar, it will be like this. You have to change the 3D object planes like this. Okay, next of all, here you have to change our 2D wireframe. Here different types of views, and here you have to change the top, bottom. This is a view bar. You have to change here. There also changes like this. When I click on southeast, it will be changes like this. If you take it in southeast, southeast as you wish, you can change directly here. If not, you have to change in view cube also. Here this is our wall, top, bottom. Here also you have to change the coordinate systems like this. Next of all, I want to go again imprint option for different types of objects. I want to take this, and here I want to take one line or rectangle, or I want to take one polygon. Number of sides as 8. Just click on Enter and specify center of the polygon. This is my center inscribed in circle. Just take this in 2D wireframe. Why? Because it is not visible. That's why I want to take again polygon of number of sides 8. Just click on Enter and specify the center of the polygon. This is my center point. Like this. Now it will be changes to realistic. Here our object is selected like this. Okay. Now first of all we have to imprint this. Just select the object and select the object. Select an object to imprint. Just click on Enter like this. When I select this, our internal octagon also selected. When I click this, the total object will be selected, and I want to move this like this. When I am moving this, the object will be visible here, 2D object. But here also our object will be selected like this. Why? Because it is an impressive. Okay, here I want to again press pull on upwards or downwards like this. You just observe why we use this imprint and what is the uses for this and what are the advantages like this. Okay, next of all we are going. Next of all we are going to discuss about our color edges. Just select this and here I want to select this. One edge, select the second edge, third edge, fourth edge, fifth, sixth. At a time we have to select number of edges and click on enter. After clicking on enter, here we have different types of colors. In this I want to take a color as this and just click on OK. Here you just observe the color is changes like this. Just go to 2D wireframe. Here this is our color edges changes like this. If I select this and all the edges also, like this number of edges will be selected at a time and you have to change the color like this. Here I want to take the color as blue. Just click on OK. Here this is our blue color acted on this side. Again I want to take the color for the edges and select the like this. If you get number of edges you have to change the color for different effect like this. Here after selecting all edges, click on enter. It will be options of different colors and click on the one color and just click on OK like this. Okay, next go to our next command is copy edge. Just select this. I want to copy this edge. Just click on enter and drag one side and I want to view the downward direction like this. Here the edge will be copied here, but we have to copy edge within perfect dimensions. When we draw an object in a dimension and the object will be and the edge will be copied in perfect way. So first of all I want to take a object in perfect dimensions. Go to realistic option. Here I want to take one object. I want to give here as 100. No, 100. Oh, it is too long. Just click on escape. I want to take a small object like okay, again I want to take the box. Here I want to copy one edge. Just select this edge and click on enter. I want to drag this in downward direction. Like this perfectly the edge will be copied. Again go to copy. I want to select this edge and click on enter. Here I want to copy this. Just select here, drag this by using ortho on. Why? Because when we on the ortho, the edges are perfectly copied. When I off the ortho, you just observe how the edges are copied. I want this and click on enter. Here one base point given, and when I off the ortho, here it will be like this, and the line are like this, going like this. So I am taking here our edge will be our edge is not copied exactly. Here it will be outside. When we copy the edge, it will be copied exactly. Why? Because just select this line and delete. Why? Because I want to extrude or press pull this. It is more useful for us. The edges are perfectly attached to the boundary lines. That's why we have to extrude or press pull the objects. Like this we have to cut this. Like this we have to extrude like this. When we copy the edges perfectly, the extrude, press, pull, any type of command activated freely. If not, it is very difficult. Why? Because again we have to place the edge with a perfect position. It is too difficult. That's why we have to on the ortho initially before copying any edges. Okay. So in our next video we have to discuss about this all extrude faces, taper faces, move, copy, offset, delete, rotate, color faces. In our next video we have to discuss all this today. In this video we have to discuss it all about extract edges, imprint, color edges, copy edges. Okay. Thank you.